how to enable network optimization and honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the network. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here, we're in the settings interface. Here on the left hand side, there are different options available. Slowly scroll down and simply tap on network diagnostics. So this is the section of networks. Now on the top, add network optimization. Simply tap on it to enable it. So here, tap on confirm. Now this will optimize your network and make the gameplay more smoother. So it will even help you if you have a stronger network and even fix different lags and make the connection stronger. So you can do this and simply go back. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.